Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lecture. Today, according to your timetable, we have English language as your subject for today. So, in the previous videos, we have done some of the topics. We have completed some of the topics, and these topics are chapter 1 in the sentences that we have done. We have done this chapter in both copy and book. Copy work also we have done, and book work also we have done. Next, we have done the letter writing. We have also completed the unseen passage. We have done the essay writing also. So these are the topics that we have covered so far. And today, as I have first, we have done all the explanation part, and after that we have done the copy work of the first chapter. Okay, and today we'll be doing the letter writing. Okay, we'll be doing the letter writing today. So explanation part we have already done. This is your chapter 18, but this will be writing the letters, different types of letters in the entire year. So this is chapter 18, and I've already given a video. I've already explained you the types of letters, that what is a letter. Letter is a form of conversation with other people, those who are living far places from us. And we have also studied that there are two types of letters: formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are the official letters, which is written to the organizations and official persons. Okay, we write formal letters are written to the principal of your school. It can be written to the editor of a newspaper, to the police commissioner, to the we can say to the electrician department. We write the formal letter to the municipal corporation. We write the letter to the editor of newspaper. So these are the letters, these are the formal letters which we write to an organization or an official. These letters we write for, we write these kind of letters in an official place. What are informal letters? Informal letters are the letters which we write to our friends and friends, families, and other near and dear ones. Okay, so I have given a video on this. You can, if you have not understood the letter, you can go and watch that video from your school app. Okay, today we'll be doing the copy work. Okay, so this is the wait so this is the letter writing. Okay, so first you will write the date here, then you will write here like this, letter writing. Next you will write format of an informal letter. You will write the format like address of sender. Example, see, address of sender in 3 lines. 1 2, I have already explained these all things. Then leave 1 line, then date, write the date, salutation, write, and you will write entire thing like this. I will be sharing these all things in your school app. The notes also I will be sharing as a PDF which you have to write. Now here is the formal of a formal letter. You have to write like this only. Okay, here I have not drawn a line. Here you will draw a line in between. Here you will draw a line in between. Here also you will draw a line in between. Okay, so after this you will write this question: write a letter to your father seeking permission to go on an educational tour organized by your boarding school. Okay, so this is the first, you write the address. This is an informal letter. So first is the address, then it is the date, then you are writing the letter to your father. So dear father, and this is the letter. Okay, this is the letter here. After writing this, you have to write this: write a letter to the edit. Now this is the formal letter. Second thing that you have to write in your copy: write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of a particular road that needs repair. So this is the sender's address, this is the date, this is the receiver's address. Then comes the subject: need to repair link road. Next, salutation, sir. Now through your newspaper, I would like to draw your attention to the local authorities of Indirapuram towards the bad condition of the link road. The road is very vital since it links Indirapuram with the national highway. The road is usually in a bad shape, which becomes worse during the monsoon. As many as 4 mishappenings have already occurred within the first 3 months of this year, and the number might increase if proper action is not taken to repair the road. Hence, through this letter, I would request the concerned authorities to take necessary action and get the road repaired without any further delay. Now again leave one line, write thanking you, again leave one line, yours truly, you write your full name. Okay, this is the letter which you have to write in your copy. So this is the format, and after this, in the next video or in the next class, suppose in the next live class, I'll be giving you the homework on this, okay, that you have to write in your rough copy. Okay, so I hope you all are fine during the COVID-19 pandemic, and you all are safe at your homes. Okay, so this is all for today, and we'll be meeting in the next lecture. Thank you all.